Hey tribe, I'm going to be planting all of these okra plants today as part of the Single Seed Challenge 2024. I know you're thinking, all this okra and then I'm saying Single Seed Challenge, yes. And that is because I have 10 different okra varieties here, but I'm only going to plant one of each. That is still part of the Single Seed Challenge rules, which is just a little challenge for gardeners to plant one seed and then follow the journey of that particular seed until the end. But it also allows you to plant different single seeds. Okay, so this is a multiple single seed challenge for me. I have 10 different okra varieties that I'm going to plant right here in this space where I have okra, tomatoes growing right now. But these are determinate tomatoes, which means as soon as I harvest them at some point, the growth is going to stop. It's going to stop producing fruit. I can get rid of the tomatoes and then the okra will grow. That is me just managing space, doing small space gardening. So yeah, guys, that's what we're going to do today. These are very interesting okra varieties. If you would like to follow along with me, check in the description box below, get some seeds, and then you can grow along with me. I will share with you progress right here on this channel. Okay, tribe, so these are the labels I have created for the 10 single seeds, the different okras that I'm going to be growing. I have kind of arranged them in order of the size of the okra plant. So these are the short ones. I'm going to put them here at the edge of the beds, and then this is, in order of height of the okra. So it starts from here all the way to the end over there, the tall ones at the end. And I also have them arranged in order of color, the different colors. Because some of them are like red, some is white, and then some regular green. We'll see how it goes. And access as well. I'll plant the ones that are heavily productive, like in the front of the row, so I can reach them easily for harvest. I have this handy dandy tool that I got from Huss. It's a cultivator and a weeder. This tool right here, I'm going to use it now to cultivate the space that I'm going to use to grow the okra plants. So let's put in some work. Next, I'm going to just mark where I'm going to plant the okras. Put a stake right here. Then I'll plant the okra right here. So this one is gonna be, let's see, the Clemson spineless is gonna go right here. And then over there, I'm going to put the Cajun jewel. So these are the shorter, the plants that are not too tall. They're gonna go here. So I'll put this one right here. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and put the rest of them where I will plant them, and then we'll get to the next step. Okay, tribe, this is what we have so far. So let's start with the spacing. So the okra plants will be spaced about 2 feet apart. This is my handy dandy spacing tool. This is about 1 foot, another one. So it goes all the way. I have 5 on each side. And then as far as the planting depth, how deep you want to plant your okra seeds, maybe about 3/4 of an inch. And that spacing tool also comes with this right here. And it could, give you the planting depth. You don't have to buy this. I'm just showing you about 3/4 of an inch deep. Okay, so everything is set up now so I don't mess up. Seed label hole, seed label hole all the way. I'm gonna go ahead now and put my seeds in ground. All right, guys, wish me luck. Okay, and I love these seed packs because they are resealable. Okay, we're just gonna get one seed. The first one that rolls out is the one that I'm going to plant. One seed, single seed challenge. I'm gonna drop that in here, and that's it. So we're going to plant the rest of them.